Hello everyone, I am Baku Gildas, co-founder of Ganitel. Every year, millions of diaspora travelers visit Africa for vacations, and almost all of them face the same frustrating problem. Vacation rental accommodations or shortlets are super expensive online than they should be. Travelers know they can save up to 30% when they negotiate the prices directly with hosts, but major platforms do not allow them that. Because of this, many people turn to agents and relatives to help them negotiate, and this often creates a whole new set of problems. The process is slow, inconsistent, offers limited options, lack of transparency, and in some cases, it turns out to be outright scams. That's why we're building Ganitel, a simple negotiations first rental platform designed for the way the African short-led market truly works. Travelers start by searching for a stay that suits their destination, dates, and budget. And once they find a property, they can negotiate the prices instantly and directly with host. No middlemen, no inflated prices. Just a fast, transparent conversation that helps both sides agree on a fair deal. So what are you waiting for? Introduce Ganitel to all your diaspora community and to short-let property owners who would benefit from a booking process that reflects how people actually want to do business. Thank you.